Greetings from Cala Bona, Mallorca, Spain. It is my first beach adventure this year in Mallorca, but not my first ever, as I have been to Mallorca already 3 times before. 2 times on training camp and 1 time on vacation on the East Coast, West Coast, to mean to say. But yes, now I'm on the East Coast in Cala Bona. It is 19th of April 2025, 5 p.m. exactly, and I have been walking from my hotel Sunwing to this, which I think is the main beach of Cala Bona, a small village here on the East Coast, close to the bigger village or city, Cala Milor, that I'm gonna head later to, as there are also some supermarkets over there, including Aldi and Lidl, where I'm gonna be doing some shopping. We have a mostly sunny day, but with few clouds here and there, like right now, but they are just temporary. And it is currently 21 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the Mediterranean Sea it is 16.6, and that's the measurement I have from Palma de Mallorca. However, I think I have my thermometer with me, so I can measure it as well if I have it. Not now, but not currently, but I will do measure in the upcoming days the actual temperature. And now my phone has fallen into the sand, but I'll worry about that later. Now let's enjoy a nice swim in the sea, the first ever. I have noticed that there are steps there into the sea, but you can obviously use this entrance as well from the beach. There are only 5 people on the whole beach, but there are lots of spectators from the hotels that have sea view, obviously. So for this first swim, let's use the stairs, and then we can swim out here at the entrance, as I'm showing you a bit more. My first initial thoughts is that this is not going to be a great vacation, as I have booked 2 weeks, 15 days, and I don't think the beaches are as good as I thought they would be. So it will be basically just a vacation. So the water is not so clean as well, as far as I can see. Hopefully I can find better beaches than this. And sorry about my my how to say negativeness, because if you follow my adventures that I'm always positive, but so far I can't say anything positive about this place, at least Cala Bona. But I'm gonna explore other places as well, and hopefully it will be different. Now, why the water on this side looks better? This water looks a lot better than this on this side. I'm very curious now. Why is there a difference? That water looked amazing. Absolutely yes. Finally something positive. Now this is amazing. I found a good spot. That's cool. So yes, this will be my home for the next 15 days. Well, not this beach in particular, but the Sunwing Hotel that I can see the distance around 1 here. Just an easy walk. The water is quite chilly, but the bottom at least is see through here and fine. It's very strange that it's like this here, but not over there at the. Oh, and I think this is wet sand. I am falling in. This is wet sand. I won't get stuck. Oh, my legs are craning. It's quicksand. That's why it is so great. Look at that. Oh my god, it is quicksand. Or something similar to that. Let's see if I can at least. I can just go in for a quick in here because the water looks nice. It is quicksand. But my feet are going in. This was a disaster, but yeah, hopefully my mind will change soon. Anyway, I'm going in on the other side as this quicksand. But the water looks amazing indeed. Anyway, now let's go to the other side, even though it's a bit dirty. So yeah, let's just go in for a swim, and it is what it is. Let's see. Oh, here it is warmer. It's slightly warmer. I don't know. All right. Oh, it's also not deep at all. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't look that bad, but I was expecting more. I don't know why, as I was in Alcudia 2 years ago and it was absolutely amazing, stunning. The water was so clean and clear and blue. So I'm a bit disappointed, to be fair. So yeah, but I'm gonna go in for a swim anyway because I have paid my vacation and I need to enjoy it as much as I can. So the first swim in Cala Bona this year, 2025, and first swim in Mallorca, first swim in Spain this year, which is with Chris. Let's go! That was nice. The water actually looks clean, so that's amazing. So yeah, let me enjoy a bit more here in this beauty, and hopefully I can change my mindset soon about this place, hopefully. But until then, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you have enjoyed this first beach adventure at Cala Bona, Mallorca, and I'm going to see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris. Okay, I don't usually talk after I end the episode, but now I'm forced. I mean, this is insane. I'm stepping on something very strange here. I don't know what it is. I thought this was sand, but no, it is not. It is something very strange. So, yeah, this is probably the worst beach in Spain that I have ever visited. I have been to a lot, to many different cities in Spain. So yeah, this is no, very disappointed. And the water is also unclean. So I will need to find a different beach for my beach adventures because this was an absolute disaster. Yeah, that's it.